Hello students, welcome to this trade on woodwork technician carpenter. In this session, we are going to learn about checking for accuracy and finishing of modular kitchen cabinets. The process of checking for accuracy and finishing of modular kitchen cabinets is essential to guarantee a high quality and aesthetically pleasing product. Accuracy checks involve meticulous verification of assembly, measurements and alignment to ensure every component meets specified standards. Objectives. The objective of the quality control process for modular kitchen cabinets encompasses two key aspects: checking for accuracy and ensuring a refined finishing. By the end of this course, you will be able to ensure all components of the modular kitchen cabinet are correctly assembled, verify that measurements and alignments meet the specified standards, confirm the proper placement of shelves, drawers, and other elements, check for any defects or damages and address them accordingly. Ensuring the accuracy and impeccable finishing of modular kitchen cabinet requires a set of specialized tools and equipment. Precision tools such as tape measures, levels, and angle finders are essential for verifying the alignment and dimensions during the accuracy check. Let us now take a look at the tools and equipment required for checking the accuracy and finishing of modular kitchen cabinet. Steel tape rule 3 meters, 1 number. Tri-square 200 mm, 1 number. Wooden tri-square 600 mm, 1 number. Firmer chisel 30-50 mm, each 1 number. Marking gauge 1 number. Claw hammer 1 number. Ball pen hammer 1 number. Screwdriver 300 mm, 1 number. Drilling machine. Portable power rotary hammer drill machine and bit. Portable electric drill light duty and bit. Portable electric screwdriver and bit. Now let us see the preparations for checking for accuracy and finishing of the modular kitchen cabinet. Points to remember before checking the wall unit and base unit of kitchen cabinet size. Check accurate measurements. Take precise measurement of the available space including width, height and depth for both wall and base units. Check the functionality consideration. Determine the intended use of the cabinets and any specific features required such as pull-out drawers or shelves. Check the kitchen layout assessment. Evaluate the overall kitchen layout to ensure that the cabinet sizes complement other fixtures and allow for smooth movement. Check the door swing and clearance. Account for door swing space and leave adequate clearance between cabinets and surrounding elements for easy access. Check the customization options. Explore customization possibilities for tailored solutions that fit your space and needs perfectly. Check the wall unit and base unit cabinet size. Check the length, width and height of the cabinet wall unit. Check the door alignment of the wall unit cabinet. Check the door closing gap in wall unit. Check once again the fitting glass in door. Check the magnetic catch in wall unit. Check the length, width and height of the cabinet base unit. Check the door closing gap in base unit. Check the sliding rail movement in the basket. Check the magnetic catch in base unit. Now let us see the preparations for checking for accuracy and finishing of modular kitchen cabinet. Points to remember before checking the finish of the kitchen cabinet in wall unit and base unit. Quality of material. Ensure the cabinets are made from durable material suitable for kitchen environments such as hardwood or high quality plywood. Finish options. Consider various finish options including paint, stain or laminate and choose one that complements the overall kitchen design. Color consistency. Check for color consistency across all cabinet components including doors, frames and panels to maintain a cohesive look. Smoothness and texture. Inspect the surface for smoothness and texture to ensure a professional and visually appeal finish. Resistance to wear and tear. Verify that the finish is resistant to scratches, stains and moisture, as kitchens are prone to spills and frequent use. Ease of maintenance. Choose a finish that is easy to clean and maintain, allowing for long-term durability and aesthetic appeal. Finishing of the cabinet in wall unit and base unit. Check the granite size. Place the granite square on the base unit top and check granite sink. Cutting and the hole for gas tube insertion properly in position. Remove granite. Apply the araldite adhesives on top of base unit uniformly. Place the granite on top of improperly. Allow the adhesives to dry. Clean the granite with damp cloth and finish it. Mark the borders of the cabinet on the wall to fix the cabinet base unit considering level, center, etc. Keep the cabinet base unit on the wall temporarily and check to remove it. Select the size of the drill bit, fix it in the drilling machine and keep it ready to drill. Make drill to the required number of through holes on cabinet base unit backside to mount it on the wall. Place the whole drill cabinet base unit in position as marked on the wall and mark the hole centers and remove it. Select the hammer drill bit fix and fit it into portable power hammer drilling machine. Make drill the holes to required depth on marked centers on wall. Prepare the wooden peg to fix the cabinet in the wall as per the requirement. Insert the wooden peg tightly inside the drill holes on with ball peen hammer. Remove the projected pegs, drill pilot holes to insert screws and hold the cabinet base unit. Lay the cabinet base unit and place it on the wall and mark in the position with respect to level, hole, centers. Insert the screws tighten and hold the cabinet base unit in place with the help of a power screwdriver at a lower speed to screw it. Check the alignment of the cabinet base unit. Place the cabinet wall unit 600 mm above the base unit granite top considering level, center, orientation with respect to base unit, etc. Mark the wall on the cabinet borders on the wall to fix the cabinet and remove it. Repeat the drilling, screwing, fixing procedure followed in the base fixing unit. Finally, check for firmness. Clean the wall unit and base unit with damp cloth and finish it. In this topic, we have learned to ensure all components of the modular kitchen cabinet are correctly assembled. Verify that measurements and alignments meet the specified standards. Confirm the proper placement of shelves, drawers, and other elements. Check for any defects or damages and address them accordingly. I hope you all understood the process of checking for accuracy and finishing of modular kitchen cabinet. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.